These are some of the things Jacinta and Phakela Mthakathi did for this country. But siyajabula mabexabana. Appreciate it's so sad.
Man. Ora South Africa re felletse gana so. Ga ba ona batho man. A botse ba South Africa ra tlala man. Ape re felletse. Ha ona batho, re fiu ra balega. Ha ona traffic. Monna ke pasa le khona, o sna paso mathateng. A re felletse.
Mkungebe ngiyabonga dadewethu. Abantu bayazama ke ngamandla ukusixabanisa mina noma Ngobese. Hayi kimi khohla mfana wami akulula nje. Akulula ngoba izinto engizenzayo angithunywa. Ngiyayikhethela ngiyindoda.
Yes, we face this challenge where a number of our countrymen and women have been protesting against the presence of people from other countries. 2 days ago, we had a nationwide protest. Yes, those who have been protesting because they are concerned about their own livelihoods, arguing that they don't have employment, they're poor. Our government has heeded that, but it has also heeded the quest for safety and security by those who may not be South Africans. The balance that President Tshisekedi is talking about is precisely how we are seeking to handle this whole challenge. It is a challenge that we are handling with due care for the rights of those who are saying that they are unemployed and they are poor in our country, and as well as the rights of those who may not be properly documented in our country, and saying they need to be treated with dignity and safely, and they should not be subjected to any form of harassment or injury. That is a balance that our government has decided on, but we've also said that we will be sending out envoys to the rest of the continent so that we can have proper discussions to discuss the whole issue of migration on a balanced basis. And we've also said that we'd like to cooperate with all countries that may have their nationals in South Africa. The issue of migration cannot be handled by one country alone. We need to work together as African sister countries to address it and find solutions that will be fitting to the problem that we now have. I would say as I end that all countries will say that they require that everyone who's in a country should be properly documented as they are in the country, because that in a way gives security, that in a way entrenches the rights that anyone would have. So therefore, with that message, we are saying to our African brothers and sisters, let us work together to resolve this problem.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Guys, umoya wami uphukile. I don't want to lie to you. Umoya wami uphukile. And ngiyazi ukuthi kunabanye abangeke bavumelane nalento engizoyisho, but guys, I'm worried. I don't want to lie to you. I'm worried about lento eyenzakalayo phakathi kwaJacinta noPhakela Mthakathi. I don't want to take sides. Ngikhathazekile kakhulu because labantu laba siyabadinga bowu-2. uJacinta noPhakela Mthakathi are very important ey'mpilweni zethu as ama-South Africans. So into eyenzakalayo njengamanje, I don't understand ukuthi kungani vele kwenzeka lento eyenzakalayo at this time. Yini vele, why vele kwenzeka kanje guys? Yazi kungithathe isikhathi ukucabanga ukuthi ngizothini uma ngenza le video, because really I don't know what to say. Yabona lento eyenzakalayo isika ekujuleni kwenhliziyo yami, and angazi nokuthi kufanele ukuthi ngithini. Yini vele yenza ukuthi siyihlekise ngabantu ngale ndlela? Because really mina I don't understand ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa khona into ebiyenzekile wrong, yini eyenza ukuthi beze kuze kube kanje? As ngishilo guys ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuthatha iside ngoba labantu ngibathanda bowu-2. uJacinta noPhakela Mthakathi ngibathanda bowu-2, ngibasupporta bowu-2. So mina umbuzo ukuthi Yini eyenza ukuthi thina as abantu ababalandelayo, abantu ababasapothayo, abantu abafuna ukuthi lilunge izwe, yini eyenza ukuthi thina manje sibase lo mlilo sivuthele lo mlilo ukuthi kuqhubeke baxabane? Kanti thina sasingafuni ukuthi kulunge izwe. Okay, ake sikhulume nje iqiniso, sibe honest ukuthi lama-foreign apakishayo ahambayo njengamanje abuyele emazweni abo, abezohamba yini if bebengahlangananga bowu-2 benza lento abayenzayo? Aniboni ngani ukuthi even lama-foreigner asele la eSouth Africa angakahambi azothi awasahambi mayebona thina senza kanje? Even lawa asehambile athi akhalayo athi kunzima emazweni abo afuna ukubuya azothola i-chance yokuthi abuye uma thina senza kanje. Aniboni ngani guys yonke leyo nto leyo? Ngiyabona la especially ku-Facebook, ngiyabona abantu bayaviva blame uphakela umthakathi. Okay, let's say-ke uphakela umthakathi vele ulenzile iphutha noma ngabe yini ayenzile. Thina why singazami ukwenza ipeace phakathi kwabo? Yini eyenza ukuthi thina sibasele umlilo siwuvuthele even more? Asisafuni yini kanti kulunge izwe? Kanti inhloso yethu vele thina bekuyini? Okay, kuhlangana kwaphakela umthakathi noRamaphosa, akekho umuntu ophethe evidence yokuthi uphakela umthakathi ubeyothatha ama-bribe laphayana. Ayikho i-evidence yokuthi uphakela umthakathi ubeye kuRamaphosa eyothatha ama-bribe or eyokhohliseka or eyothengeka. Ubani onaleyo evidence? What if uphakela umthakathi njengoba ejabule kangaka nje manje mayibuya kuRamaphosa engasakhulumi ngolaka noRamaphosa ukuthi maybe uRamaphosa uvumile zonke izinto ayicele kuyena? Ubani owaziyo lezo zinto lezo? Why sicabanga izinto ezinegative ngalo muntu osesenzele yonke lento esibonayo? Lama-foreigner angaka, lama-thousands and thousands ama-foreigner ahambayo ngamabhanoyi ngamabhasi today, bekuzokwenzeka yini ukuba uphakela umthakathi wayengekho wabeka le 30 June? Because even nayo le date eyi-30 zikaJune uyena wayibeka le date. UJacinta ubeyisho lento kuma-interviews everywhere ukuthi yena kahlangene ne-30 June. I-30 June zabekwa uphakela umthakathi. So manje why kumele ukuthi sizokwenza kube ngathi kunento enkulu eseyenzekile ukuthi kuze kumosheke kubhidlike lonke lolu donga lolu bese silakhile guys? Really mina I don't understand. Yini abahlulayo ama-leaders, abantu abadala kuma-political parties abahamba nawo ukuthi bahlale nabo phansi bakwazi ukuthi bebaluleke benze kube ne-peace phakathi kwabo bobabili ukuze izolunga lento esiyenzayo? Njengamanje si-invite izitha, sijabulisa izitha all over the place, oMalema, even wona ama-foreign nationals all over the continent. Njengamanje kukhulunywa lento kuma-channel ako-Nigeria, ko-Ghana, kuphi kukhulunywa ngalento yokuxabana kaJacinta nophakela umthakathi. Okay, asikho ngaphakathi kwenhliziyo kaphakela umthakathi, asiwazi ama-plans akhe, asimazi ukuthi ucabangani, but izinto asesenzele zona as a country why singayibeki phambili? Why sibeka izinto ezimbi zodwa? Even lezo zinto ezimbi esingekho sure ukuthi yile ndlela esicabanga ngayo yini? Usithengisile ubani othi usithengisile? Ubani obonile ethatha imali kuRamaphosa? Labantu abahamba nophakela umthakathi asebekhuluma ko-Facebook izinto eziningi bemblame, bekhuluma as if kunezinto bona abazazi ezingama-secrets. Abazisho lezo zinto sizozazi, sikwazi ukuthi simove on, sikwazi ukuthi if kumele ukuthi axolelwe kunamaphutha awenzile simxolele. Guys, asikwazi ukuthi singabeka izinto ezimbi phambili, izinto ezinhle kangaka uphakela umthakathi asezenzile kule country bese senza sengathi asisayiboni. Mina ngiyala namanje ngisasho labantu ngibathanda bobabili and ngiyafisa ukuthi as a nation sizame ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi siwuthandazele lo moya owenzakalayo. Mina ngiyabasupporta bowu-2 and ngiyabathanda bowu-2 even until today. Angeke ngize ngikwazi ukubetray any of them. UJacinta wenza umsebenzi omkhulu kabi, waba nesibindi ewumuntu wesifazane, waphakamela izwe. And uphakela umthakathi as a man waphakama wathi angeke siyekele umuntu wesifazane, angeke siyekele usisi wethu ahambe phambili aye empini sikhona siyamadoda. Waphakama. Guys, mina namanje ngisasho ukuthi angiboni into elwelayo, angiboni into abayilwelayo labantu abawu-2. But into enginothisayo nje kakhulu ukuthi kunomona kakhulu kulento, and umona uqhamuka kuthina ama-supporters wabo. Sithatha ama-sides because sinomona. Into enginothisayo leyo. And ubonothisa kakhulu ukuthi abantu aba-against uphakela umthakathi abantu besilisa, abantu abamadoda, okuyibona abaphusha le narrative yokuthi uthathele uJacinta umsebenzi wakhe. And-ke futhi enye into engimangazayo ngokuthi ukuthathela uJacinta umsebenzi wakhe ukuthi yimuphi lo msebenzi. Angithi vele kulwelwa izwe. Makuthiwa uphakela umthakathi uthathela uJacinta into yakhe, yiyiphi into kaJacinta ayithathayo? Kanti akukhona ukulwela izwe. Yiyiphi lento kaJacinta ayithathayo uphakela umthakathi? Iyiphi kahle hle? Ngoba thina sazi ukuthi kulwelwa izwe. Really mina I don't understand makuthiwa kuthathwa into kaJacinta ukuthi iyiphi leyo nto kaJacinta. Ithina ama-South African akhala ngama-illegal foreigner or ama-foreigner qobo lwawo leyo nto kaJacinta okuthiwa ithathwa uphakela umthakathi. Labantu balwela into eyodwa. Guys, ake siyekeni ubuxoki, ake siyekeni ukuqhatha. And into ebuhlungu nakho konke asiboni ukuthi ithina esizothwala lesi siphambano ekugcineni. Ama-consequences ayo yonke lento esiyenzayo azowela kuthina ngoba ama-foreigner angeke asahamba. Ama-foreigner lawa ahambile azobuya ngoba ayisekho i-backbone ebesinayo. Sixabanisile, sibhidlizile yonke into bese siyakhile sonke lesi sikhathi. So nje singayisoli kusasa. Ugovernment uhlulekile, amaphoyisa ahluleka, kwahluleka wonke umuntu, kwahluleka uHome Affairs ukuhambisa labantu. Uphakela umthakathi noJacinta sebehlangene bakwazile ukuthi bahambe labantu. Siyawabona amabhasi, siyawabona ama-flights. Yini kanti esiyifunayo thina? Yini? Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.